What is LTCT? LTCT is a method to solve two pirti at the end target which a twisty corner. Last target corner twist. That's how it is normal. That's how it is with the algae. This happens in about 20% of the solution. How many algae are there? The last corner of the pirti can be in 7 places. Any place except the buffer. It can be on any of 3 sides. It's thrown out. 7 times 3 equals 21. Any place can have one of the remaining 6 corners rotated, and it can be rotated in 2 different directions. Toward the third, the corner will simply be solved. So it's 21 times 60 times 2 equals 252. There are 252 algorithms to be studied. It sounds like a lot, but many of them assimilate each other. Thus the difference between them is only D, or something like that. So in practice, it is about 1000 algorithms. More examples. Pirti, twisty, twisty, pirti, twisty, pirti, twisty, pirti, twisty, LTEF, last target edge flip, something but for edges. If at the end of the solution you have an edge flip left, and there is parity, you can do it in one algorithm. This one has 231 possibility. There are 21 different placements for corner times 11 place for an edge. There are 21 different positions for a corner times 11 place for an edge. Example. As of the publication of this video, no one is know to know all of their algorithms, but I believe they will soon know.